Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. So today we have a short tip Saturday. So today's tip is about leveling your canvas, making sure your canvas is level. So here I have 11 by 14 inch canvas. I'm going to set it down on the surface. I'm going to push on the edges and kind of see if it'll teeter-totter or move or if it sits flat. You want to first check your canvas to see if it's flat. Then set it on your cups or your tacks or however you prop it up. And now you want to check if your surface is level. I got this level here from the Dollar Tree, so it was just $1, real nice large level. I'm checking this to make sure it's level from each direction and then also diagonally. So today's tip is making sure your canvas is level and then the surface is also level once you put it onto your upside down cups or your tacks, however you elevate it. All right, gonna flood the surface with black here. And then this is a toilet paper roll paint pour with a variety of metallics. Down below, I'll have listed what all the colors that I'm using are.